Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic that plays a significant role in today's diverse workplaces: cross-cultural communication. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, understanding and embracing cultural differences is essential for fostering a positive and productive work environment. First and foremost, let's talk about cultural awareness. It's about recognizing and understanding the values, customs, and perspectives that individuals from different cultures bring to the workplace. In our workplace, a colleague from a different cultural background valued punctuality. Being culturally aware means understanding that their emphasis on timeliness is a reflection of their cultural norms. By recognizing and respecting this, we can create a more harmonious work environment. Now, let's move on to cultural sensitivity. This means being mindful of how your words and actions may be perceived by people from different cultural backgrounds. It's about avoiding stereotypes and embracing inclusivity. In the workplace, it's good to organize cultural sensitivity training sessions. It helps employees understand the impact of certain words or gestures and encourages everyone to communicate in a way that respects the diverse backgrounds of their colleagues. Intercultural communication involves the exchange of information and ideas between people from different cultural backgrounds. It requires effective listening, empathy, and the ability to adapt your communication style. During a project collaboration with a global team, effective intercultural communication was crucial. We scheduled regular video conferences, utilized collaboration tools, and actively sought input from each team member. This not only improved understanding but also strengthened the project outcomes. Language barriers can pose challenges in cross-cultural communication. However, with advancements in technology, we have tools to help overcome these obstacles. Embrace translation apps and encourage language learning within the team. One of our team members faced a language barrier, so we implemented language learning sessions during lunch breaks. This small initiative not only helped break down language barriers but also fostered a sense of camaraderie among team members. In conclusion, cross-cultural communication is a skill that can be developed and honed over time. By fostering cultural awareness, sensitivity, and effective intercultural communication, we can create workplaces that celebrate diversity, enhance collaboration, and drive success. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep bridging those cultural gaps.